Hello beautiful, welcome back. Today I'm going to unbox the October LookFantastic box. I haven't had time to open this. I also have the November one, but I'm going to film two separate videos because I don't want them to be too long. And also I'm going to announce the giveaway, so stay tuned for that. Anyway, if you guys want to see what they sent in the October box, then keep on watching. I'm so excited. It's like I have two presents to open. I'm so lucky. My chair is making this beautiful, amazing fart noises. It's not me, I promise. I promise you, it's not me, okay? It's the chair. Anyway, look how beautiful. I'm so excited. I can't deny it. Na 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 na. Oh. Let's see. It says, relax, dream, enjoy. This is so cute. So this is the pamphlet info card, and this is the retreat edition. They kind of messed this thing. Like the sticker is not where it should be. Anyway, what? So again we have this brand. We've had this brand before, and I'm getting too familiar with this brand. Anyways, I'm going to start with this one. This is a huge thing. This is the soft hair wrap, super absorbent hair towel, shorter drying time. I used to love them, but I heard that they are not that good for the hair. Don't quote me on that. Maybe this is a different type of fabric, but the one that I had I honestly don't remember the sneak peek from the September box. I don't know. So this is like the full size thing, you know. This is by the brand Glove Hair Wrap and it's worth £14.99, and it says suitable for all hair types. This glove hair towel is made from innovative microfiber technology that is more gentle than regular cotton towels. Okay, ideal for drying hair overnight. Okay, I wanna feel this. Wow, this is super soft. It doesn't smell. I don't know why. I keep smelling things. So yeah, this is exactly like the one I had, but the fabric is like a super extra mega soft towel, but it's not a towel, you know. It has a little button and a little elastic to wrap it around the button. Okay, that's that. Moving on, we have interesting products. I'm going to go with this one. Oh, it's kind of heavy. What is this? Earl Grey bath tea. You know what? I'm so sad right now because I don't have a bathtub. We only have showers. So I guess I'm going to send this to my sister. But this is by the brand Bubblet Tea Bath and Body. I just saw that this is purple. How freaking cute. So this is just bath salts. And it says, after a long day, fill your tub with the delicious sweet citrus aromas of this quintessential, I don't even know how to say that, British tea. Containing 100 grams. This feels heavier than 100 grams. Wow, yeah, it says 100 right here. Of tea-infused bath salts. Relax and enjoy this exclusive bath time treat. And this is worth £5.99. I'm so jealous. Anyway, moving on. Next we have a Starskin face mask. I think so. This is the eye catcher. Smoothing biocellulose eye masks. I did try this brand before and I really love their face sheet masks. I think they are so nice. So there were two options. Either you got the Starskin one or the other one is from Beauty Pro Eye Therapy under eye masks. So yeah, both are under eye masks. This is worth £4.25. Designed to visibly reduce puffiness and the appearance of fine lines, wrinkles, and dark circles. I honestly don't believe they help with any of that. They're just nice, hydrating, and I don't think eye patches help with dark circles, fine lines, wrinkles. Let's be honest here, okay? So yeah, this is very nice. I'm going to enjoy this, and I'm going to think of my sister enjoying her relaxing bath using the salt. Anyway, moving on, I have 3 more products. I'm going to go with this little jar. This is overnight foot cream. Okay. This Ecooking foot cream removes dead skin and moisturizes all at once. You guys, you know what I bought from Shein? I swear to God, Shein has everything on their website. So I bought those crazy looking silicone socks. They look crazy, but I heard that they work. So you just apply your moisturizer and put those socks, let them do their thing for the whole night, and the next day in the morning you'll have baby smooth foot. So I'm excited to try those silicone socks with this cream. I want to smell it. With a refreshing eucalyptus scent and menthol to smooth and cool the skin. It smells more like menthol. Actually, it smells like vapor rub, or how is that called? You know, that thing you apply on your chest when you're sick. I'm excited to try this one. It smells good though. I like it. I mean, it smells fresh. Okay, I have 2 more products, and I'm going to go with this one. This is by the brand Balance Me. Again, I'm very familiar with this brand because I got plenty of products from them in my subscription boxes, either Birchbox, either LookFantastic. So this is the Bakuchiol. What is that? Smoothing serum. This thing that I just pronounced and it doesn't sound right. Bakuchiol. What? Is a 100% natural plant-based retinol alternative, providing all the anti-aging benefits without the irritation and sensitivity. Smoother skin texture, enhances collagen production, and the reduction of fine lines and wrinkles. Again, fine lines and wrinkles, I don't know about that, but I did try retinol in the past, and let me tell you, my skin was peeling worse than a snake or a reptile, whatever. So it did work. Like, my skin felt so smooth, so beautiful looking, very radiant, but I was peeling like every single day. My skin was peeling off. I was not about that life, you know. I couldn't do my makeup because it looked weird around the nose, around my forehead, but my skin was so beautiful, buttery, smooth, gorgeous looking, radiant, whatever. But it was normal, like it was something normal when you use retinol, you know. So yeah, I really hope this won't do that. Anyway, alright guys, so as I announced in my previous video, I want to make a giveaway for the Christmas and stuff. You know, the holidays are almost here, so I want to give back to you because you guys support me even though I'm not very constant. And I'm really sorry for that, but what a year, right? So I want to give back to you. Also, this year I hit 5K on YouTube, which is amazing. I honestly didn't expect that. So yeah, I'm going to let you guys know what you have to do to enter this giveaway. It's super easy, super simple. You don't have to do basically anything. Also, I'm going to have the rules down below. Make sure you read them well, but as I said, you don't have to do much. You just have to subscribe to my YouTube channel, ring the bell, activate all the notifications so you get notified every single time I'm posting a new video. Then take a screenshot to show me that you did subscribe, and then go on Instagram and follow me there as well, and DM me the screenshot where you show me that you subscribed to my YouTube channel. Easy peasy, right? You don't have to do basically anything. So if you don't have Instagram, just send me the screenshot via email. I'm going to have the email right here on the screen, also down below. Make sure you read that. So I guess it's a little bit easier if you just DM me the screenshot on Instagram, because when I'm going to pick the winners, I'm going to use a generator, and then I'm going to insert all the users that joined, like your name, your name on Instagram, and they will randomly pick 2 winners for me. So I guess that's the easiest way, but I'm going to figure it out. So if you guys don't have Instagram, I don't blame you, okay? I don't blame you. So the prizes, I'm going to mostly send makeup, but also I'm going to insert some random things in there. Probably I'm going to make 2 candles for you guys. Like, why not? Let me know down below if you guys want to receive a scented candle. For me, I'm going to use the little jars that it came with that Amazon kit, whatever. So yeah, let me know down below if you guys want me to include a little candle in there. But as I said, mostly it's makeup. I have this BH Cosmetics and Daisy Marquez palettes. So that's the main prize, but no, there's more makeup, trust me. I'm going to include makeup that I like and I use every single day. So basically I'm going to include products that you see me using them in my videos, and that means it's a good product, I enjoy it, I trust that product, and I really hope you will enjoy it too. So that's that. I don't have it right now because I'm filming this unboxing, but probably I'm going to insert a few random pictures to have an idea what products I'm talking about. But this is all you have to do to enter my giveaway. So on December 1st, I'm going to pick the winner, and hopefully on December 2nd, I'm going to send the packages, and hopefully they will arrive before Christmas. Okay, so that's that. This is all you have to do to enter my giveaway. I'm going to have everything down below. Make sure you read that, and good luck. Last product in this box, we have this ByTerry. I guess this was the sneak peek from September, right? I don't know, I can't remember. So this is by the brand ByTerry, and I'm so impressed because we know ByTerry is expensive. So this is worth 14 pounds. And it says, this travel friendly, obviously this is a mini size, I mean, hello, come on, this is ByTerry. This travel friendly version of ByTerry's signature lip balm combines luxury and protection. Infused with shea butter, rose flower wax, and vitamin E, it glides onto the lips effortlessly, while it's providing a subtle shine, perfect for on-the-go nourishment. I wanna smell it. I do have gloss on, so I'm not gonna, no. Oh, okay. It smells like roses. So this was the October box. Overall, I really like what I got. Like, wow, I'm so impressed. And let me see the sneak peek for the November box, which I have right there. So this is the Now Bay Detox Oxygen. Oh my god, I cannot read. Detox Oxygen Light Cream. Okay, let me know down below what was your favorite product. And that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed. I'm going to go and unbox the November box right now. So that means I'm going to have the same makeup, the same outfit for my next video, but that's okay. So that's that. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Take care, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.